Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We have been going over beginning sounds, okay? So we're going to go over that real quickly, and then we're going to learn a new skill, which is what we did with October at the beginning of the morning, okay? So let's look at these and let's look at beginning sounds, okay? Boat, boat starts with the letter B, doesn't it? Okay? Frog. Frog starts with the letter F. Clock starts with the letter C. Bell. B. Fan starts with the letter fan. F. Sheep. What does it say at the beginning? Starts with SH, doesn't it? Okay, that one was a little tricky. Bat. B. Good job. Pear. P. Starts with the P. It says P at the beginning, doesn't it? Bug. Says B at the beginning. Starts with the letter B. Cake. Says K at the beginning and starts with the letter C. Moon says at the beginning. And what is that letter? M. Good job. Star says S, and it starts with an S. Duck. D. Ring. R. House says at the beginning. Starts with the letter H. Bed says B at the beginning and starts with the letter B, doesn't it? And cat says K, starts with the letter C. Okay, we're going to do ending sounds now. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is going to mix these up. I'm going to mix these up so they're not in the same order they were when we were doing beginning sounds. And we're just going to listen for the beginning sound, okay? Just the sound. We're listening for the beginning sound, okay? Okay, we're not going to say the letter. We're just going to say the sound. Here we go. At the end, bug. What sound do you hear at the end? Bug. G, right? Okay. Boat. What do you hear at the end? Boat. T. Frog. What do you hear at the end? Frog. G. Cake. What do you hear at the end of cake? K. Oops, Mrs. Hensley just dropped it. Clock. What do you hear at the end of clock? K. Good job. Bell. What do you hear at the end of bell? Oh, right? Moon. What do you hear at the end of moon? Right? Fan. Sheep. Sheep. Oh, you hear p, don't you? Okay. Bat. What do you hear at the end of bat? Ring. What do you hear at the end of ring? G. Pear. What do you hear at the end of pear? Good job. Star. I should have mixed these up better. What do you hear at the end of star? Duck. What do you hear at the end of duck? Good job. House. What do you hear at the end of house? Bed. Bed. What do you hear at the end of bed? Cat. What do you hear at the end of cat? Good job. Okay, we were just listening for the ending sounds, not telling us. I wasn't telling you what letter it starts with. We were just listening for the ending sounds, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that. You will have an activity on ending sounds tomorrow. I just wanted to go over ending sounds with you so you knew what to listen for, okay? I hope you guys have a rest of your magnificent Monday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.